Hello everyone! In today's tutorial, we'll explore how to transfer bonus accounts to your main account in Melbet. It's easy, so let's dive straight into it. Don't miss this secret 300% bonus that gave me $200 total on my $50 deposit. Here's exactly how to claim it. After installation, go ahead and select sign up. Make sure to enter all your details and include your promo code VEXY in the designated section. This will give you an incredible 300% bonus on your first deposit. That's awesome. Don't miss out on it. So after creating your Melbet account using the promo code I said earlier and making your first deposit, you will receive a bonus. Then go to menu right down here and then click on the mail option at the top right. Here, since you have done your first deposit, it will show you a message that will confirm the deposit and the bonus it have generated. So to actually transfer this bonus to my main account, click on this icon of your balance on the menu page. You will there see bonus account below your principal account. So click on bonus account to switch to your bonus account. For you to transfer this amount to your main account, all you have to do is go to matches. Here, select matches in which you have interest in, and after that, select 3 matches with odds of at least 1.4 and above. After doing that, place the bet, and if the bet is successful, the amount will be sent directly to my main account.